Hi there.
Hello, Odin.
Hi.
How are you?
Howdy.
Hi, Connie. You look all green and
Howdy.
fancy. You doing
Doesn't he
okay,
always
Mark?
wear that?
Hmm?
Doesn't he always wear that?
I know, he never wears the uniform. That's for sure.
It's so disrespectful.
Yeah, no, I don't know even if he wants to work here anymore.
That's
What?
what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
You should fire him.
I've been thinking of a
This
few times, yeah.
is my uniform.
Is it now?
Uh,
Is it now? Huh?
I,
Huh?
I,
So what
a
am I
couple
wearing
of,
then?
I don't know. I've washed mines too much that the blues faded.
Oh, I'll wash your face till you fade. Oh,
I'll go and change then. Fuck's sake.
that's a goodbye. Thank you. Now you can do whatever.
Look at him.
Oh, I mean, I bet it's clenching his teeth together now.
Yeah, he is. He's so mad right now.
How are you doing then?
He's
All
probably
good?
gonna punch a wall or something. Oh, I'm doing great. How about yourself?
Oh, I can't complain.